To set up the channel 11 to the piano synths, right-click and rename the channel. Click the equalizer and enter these values. Click the Noise Gate tab and enter these settings. Click the Compressor tab and enter these settings. We had configured the piano synths in channel 11.